The owner of this home on Eastwood Avenue in Silver Spring told neighbors and fire investigators that he was working in his basement when he heard a sound upstairs and thought his cat had knocked something over. People who live across the street said flames could be seen shooting out of the attic vent that is just under the peak of the home's roof. Thankfully, the homeowner was able to safely evacuate. No injuries were reported, but the fire left the home with significant damage. Just after 4 p.m., fast-moving storms drenched the area with heavy rain. They carried thunder and lightning. Storm drains became overwhelmed. These images from a traffic camera show the inner loop of the Beltway at Colesville Road. The high standing water slowed evening rush hour to a crawl, with delays stretching back several exits. In the district's Navy Yard neighborhood, commuters encountered a closed road in the 500 block of M Street Southeast. Floodwater covered the eastbound lanes and rose up to cover the sidewalk at one point. What's hard to see underneath the water is the red paint that marks this as an express bus lane, and that means several major lines were impacted during evening rush hour. In Southeast Washington, Jackie Bensen, News 4.
Yep, summer storm season is definitely here, so stay with us for live weather updates right on your phone. Through the NBC Washington app, you can get everything you need. Just scan the QR code on your screen. You can also search for it in your app store. You can always find Doug's latest forecast and track when severe weather is near you.